Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. It's been crazy. Crypto has been crazy. Hey, I got these allergy eyes. This is bad allergy season for me. I just want to talk to you guys about crypto and everything that's going on with crypto. I'm going to start by saying, if you have crypto, you've been affected. You've gotten wiped out. One of my portfolios was down by $40,000, actually just under $41,000. And in the early days, I would be freaking out right now. Am I concerned? Yes, but I am not. I don't think all is lost. Hopefully you guys saw the live I did on Stocks with Josh's page on last night. And there was a lot of things that happened. One of the things that happened that is just insane. You have altcoins, strong altcoins like SUI that dropped by 90%. So there were huge liquidations going on, right? And you have, I saw Doge at like 14 cents. Just look what XRP did. Look at what a lot of these coins did on yesterday. So huge liquidations on yesterday. And there's a lot of speculation that's going on, but look at what happened to the stock market. And someone's going to say this had nothing to do with the president's tariff on China. It has everything to do. I keep telling you guys, every time the stock market goes down on its tariff news, so does crypto. So quit listening to people that don't have a clue of what's happening. Now, one of the things that was discussed on the live last night was, and I said this, that crypto was poised to absolutely explode before the tweet on yesterday. The altcoins were showing strength and it was ready to take off, right? Now, Josh on last night brought up, and I agree with him, we had what was equivalent to crypto winter in one day yesterday. And that's actually what happened. If you go to SUI, and it may not have been every coin, but SUI had a crypto winter last night. And some of these other coins did too. And it's strange because the cycle is changing. It's altering. Now, I still believe in a 4-year cycle. Long as you have a halving, there'll be a cycle. But how the cycles react and how they act, especially because of all of this institutional buying, has changed and will continue to change. And like I said, if you look at Bitcoin, if it was quote unquote crypto winter, you will see that Bitcoin and Ethereum was telling you a story, especially Bitcoin, that it's not going to fall like it did in past crypto winters, okay? So I'm looking at the strong coins right now. And for those of you that have been chasing the memes and loading up on the memes, I kept saying that I'm not buying memes yet. I'm not loading up on memes because it's not meme time. I know some of you are trying to get rich. And if you're trying to get rich and you loaded up on memes a week ago, you got wiped. And that's why it's important to understand seasons, understand cycles. You have to put some money into education and not just in buying. That's one of the things I want to say, all right? Stock up you if you really want to learn about crypto. Let's keep it going. Let's go back to the notion that we had crypto winter yesterday. Look at the liquidations. We did have what's equivalent to a crypto winter on yesterday. Now, this happened after major banks was raising their price predictions for Bitcoin, with the exception of Citi that went from 135 down to 133, okay, by the end of this year. And then you have JP Morgan saying 165 for Bitcoin. It didn't say for Shiba Inu, it didn't say for XRP, it said for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, so will the alts, and then the memes will come following. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you. This is the tough part, good people. Everybody that has crypto got hit yesterday. As you guys know, I haven't been selling until further notice. I haven't been selling anything. In the past I did. I swung trade, made a ton of money. But I'll tell you, a lot of that money got wiped yesterday that I made swing trading. Not all of it, but a lot of it did. And if you think that you're the only one that got hit yesterday, you're sadly mistaken. Everybody did, including the smartest person in crypto. If he had crypto, he or she had crypto, they got hit. Now, the question is, do you think we're at the bottom or near the bottom even now? That's the question. The question is, what do you think is going to happen Monday and Tuesday? That's the bigger question. Now, Tom Lee, myself, and Stocks with Josh all agree that something else is going to happen Monday or Tuesday. And I showed a chart on yesterday, and I showed where the Qs were because tech got hit the heaviest. You could do the same thing with the S&P, and someone's going to say, Larry, that has nothing to do with crypto. By now, even Stevie Wonder can see it does, okay? You have to see what's going on with the NASDAQ. And then the only thing that could save us right now in crypto is the Fed. The Fed could come and say, because of these tariffs and because of the effect on the tariffs, and now it's going to, if we keep this up, it will start hitting your pockets in a worse way than it ever has. It's going to eventually work its way to your pockets. Don't get it twisted. If the Fed sees that coming, then the Fed could say, we got 2 more FOMC meetings this year. I'm going to go 50 basis points per. And you will see crypto start to move up again at a faster rate. The question is, do we think that the potential of the bull season is over, or do we think crypto winter is here to stay? I'm going to go out on a limb and say, I don't think so. It's easy for me to say, guys, it's over. We just had the worst crash ever in crypto. We just had the worst liquidation ever in crypto. And I still think that we will at least revisit the highs or have all-time new highs. I actually think we're going to have all-time new highs behind this. Now, no one but the president knows what the president is going to do. You can't look at a chart and predict tariffs. You can't look at a chart and predict this. But you best believe that the people in the cabinets, the Dems did it and the reps are doing it now. The people in the cabinets knew he was going to do this before, and they were shorting the market. For those of you that are far up a political's butt, I'm just going to say that, you best believe the people you voted for got rich on yesterday by shorting the market. It happens on both sides, okay? So what I'm saying, good people, and I don't care about your politics, what I'm saying, you better get yours, is what I'm saying. So anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just a guy here that got affected just like you. Anybody said that they had crypto and all they're doing is winning, they're lying to you. So my question is, and I want you to leave me a comment, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Do you think it's over? I don't. Are you going to buy more? I am. I'm going to buy more Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to buy more of the layer ones, and I'm going to buy more of the high market cap alts, but I'm going to take my time and not think about memes right now because they could get another hit. I'm telling you guys. So now somebody could get a meme and they could time it right at the bottom and they could put a lot of money in and they can get rich. But at this point, it's just pure gambling, just pure luck. I'm in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other, L1s and some of the other alts, Link, AVAX, those are strong. Even SUI, I wished I bought some at the bottom. I happened to be on a plane or at the airport when this happened. But I'm telling you guys that this is the time where you have to make a decision. And no one can make that decision for you but you. This is the hardest season in crypto. What I've been saying and what I will continue to say is when it comes to crypto, you better have a 5-year plan because it operates on a 4-year cycle. What I'm going to continue to say is you better be buying at the extreme lows more and at the heights less. So right now, I would limit the amount of meme coins that I've been buying. Right now, you look at Ethereum and Bitcoin, they've pulled back. I put money into the stronger coins first. So that'll be Bitcoin followed by Ethereum, and then the altcoins, the stronger market caps that's going to be around. Just know that there's only over 20,000 crypto, especially with these meme coins out there, and 80% of them will go away. I mean, they're going to go to zero, and you can kiss anything you have in it goodbye. I'm not trying to scare you, but when it comes to meme coins, you must have an exit plan. Now, I still have some meme coins that I'm holding until this cycle is over, which I don't believe is over yet. But we shall see. Monday or Tuesday, I believe we will see the bottom. And then I believe there'll be recovery from there. In the stock market, I believe that it may not be a V-shaped recovery, but it's going to be a U-shaped recovery. And I believe it's going to be a buying opportunity for stocks and crypto. Listen, so I am going to continue in Money Moves to say what I'm buying, when I buy it. I post it when I buy it. But if you really don't know about crypto, I've been telling you, stock up you is what you need. Okay, good people, let me know what you think is happening right now with crypto. Is it the bottom? Have we bottomed out yesterday, or you think this is just the first leg to crypto winter? Let me know by leaving me a comment. I love you guys. I'm just going to keep it real here. We're going to continue to make money regardless of where we are in crypto and stocks. We're going to continue to make money. Make sure you check out the links in the description below. Live, love, laugh, and learn.